Today I will show you how to make this insane night vision effect. Yo, it's Povikas here, and welcome guys if you're new to the channel. My name is Povikas and I've been a video editor for over 7 years now, and I also run an absolutely crazy video editing website called povikas.com where I sell the best video editing presets that you can just literally take and drag and drop on your After Effects timeline and you will have absolutely insane visuals. So I would 100% recommend to go and check it out, and it will be linked in the description. But anyways, let's begin. Alright guys, so here I have a clip of Yeet from one of his newest music videos, and what we can do here is press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer, and here let's add a solid composite, and here let's make the blending mode to luminosity. Now this made it to black and white, but let's not do that. Let's go to color and let's make it to the invert color of green. So let's make it to purple or whatever this color is. Maybe we can make it a bit darker, yeah, like that. Now let's press OK, and now let's add minimax, and here let's make the radius to 3, and now we can add noise, and we can add noise again. One of the noises, let's just uncheck it, and I will show you later on why I added it, and let's just use the noise 2. So at the noise 2, let's uncheck use color noise and make the amount of noise to 25%, and now let's add invert, and this effect will give us like this really simple night vision effect. Really simple, but we have to keep going. We have to make this so much better. So now the most important effect, pretty much, I guess, I mean, it's debatable, it's going to be NTCT-RS, which is a free plugin that everybody should have. And here I just like to go to snow and make it to 0. And also let's go down, and let's check on scale with video size. Let's check on it. So that already gives us sort of like a VHS look, as you can see. Really good. But let's not celebrate too early. Let's also add S flicker from the Sapphire plugin. You don't need this effect, it just adds a flicker. And also let's add a motion tile to make this look more of like a VHS, and make the output width something like 75 to give these black bars. And now let's add fast box blur and make the blur radius to 0.5. And now you already have this pretty cool effect, just like that. Like that's pretty much it. But let's go below it and press Ctrl+Y, and let's add exposure. And for the exposure, let's make it to 1.8. And now you will have the best VHS night vision effect. Like I don't know, like that's just really cool. As you can see, like wait, let's just say look before and after. Insane. And now let's go back to the first layer we made, and I want to show you the bonus effect. So you can go back to noise and check on it and make it 25%, but you have to uncheck use color noise and clip result values. I also like to make it to amount to 100%, and let's drop it below invert, and you will have an absolutely crazy, like so much grain. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Don't forget to check out my povikas.com website for absolutely insane video editing presets. But anyways, it was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.